Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Parvez. My ID's last three digit is 357. So today my presentation topic is interrupts. Interrupts in computer architecture. A fundamental concept in computer architecture, interrupts enable efficient system management and responsiveness to external events. What are interrupts? Interrupts are signals that cause the CPU pause its current task and execute a specific routine, known as, as an interrupt service routine. First of all, signals triggered by hardware or software events, then pause, the CPU suspends its current operation routine, executes a predefined interrupt handler. So here are types of interrupts. Interrupts can categorize based on their source and nature. So first come hardware interrupts, triggered by external device or events, keyboard input, disk access, and time events. Then software interrupts generated by software instruction or exception, system calls, division by zero, memory access violations. So here are software interrupts. Brief. Software interrupts allow programs to request. দেখা যায় না রে।
Hup
না,
শালা
pause কর, pause. Software interrupts. Software interrupts allow programs to request service from the operating system or handle routine errors. So here are system calls, request for operating system service like file versions, and here are exception runtime errors like division by zero or memory access violation. Interrupt handling process. The interrupt handling process involves a sequence of steps to ensure efficient and timely response to events. Interrupt signals. The CPU receives an interrupt signals. Save context. The CPU saves its current state and registers. Interrupt handler. The CPU jumps to the appropriate interrupt service routine. Restore context. The CPU restores its saved context and resumes execution. So now interrupt service routine. Interrupt service routines are specific functions that handle interrupt events, providing a controlled response to external events. So first of all, code contains instruction to service to interrupt events, then processing handles the interrupt event such as reading input or updating system's state, then return. The interrupt handling system returns control to interrupt program, and then it comes interrupt masking and enabling. Interrupt masking and enabling control how the CPU responds to incoming interrupts requests. Masking disables specific interrupts to prevent them from interrupting the CPU. Then enabling allows the CPU to receive interrupts signals and execute corresponding ISRs. Here are the disadvantages of interrupts. So first of all, as you can see, here are advantages. Advantages are efficient system management, improved responsiveness to event, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and the disadvantages are increased system complexity, potential for latency and overhead, debugging and troubleshooting challenges. So here are my presentation ends. So thank you everyone. Thank you.